So this is going to be Node.js REST API tutorial. So make sure to download and install Node.js, VS Code and Git Bash. So let's get started. Once you install Node.js, you can check the installation. Just open command prompt, make sure to right click and run as administrator. Type node space -b and then type npm space -b. Once you do that, just close. Now go to PC. You can go to any drive. I will go to my documents. Then I will create a folder. I will name this API tutorial. Then go inside the folder. You can give this any name if you want. Then I am going to right click, open Git Bash here. Now I am going to create another folder. So I will type mkdir and I will name this new API. So now you can see the folder has been created, which is new API. Then cd new API. Now we are in new API. Now type npm space init space -y. Press enter. Now you must install required packages. So first you have to install Express. So type npm install Express. Then type npm install nodepad. Now close. Now go inside the folder new API. You are going to see node modules package and package lock. Now right click, open with code. Now you can see new API. The folder new API. Just click on new file for new API and type server.js. You must create the server.js in your project under your new API, and here you must put some code. Okay, now just click on file and save all, then click on new terminal, and type node server.js. Press enter. You can see it says server is running on port 3000. Now go to any browser and type localhost colon 3000. Press enter. You can see it says API is running. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to watch more videos, please let me know in the comments section.